Okay, the next one, number 4. So, papunta na tayo sa writing ninyo. So, number 4, after everything has been identified, alam nyo na kung ano yung population, sino yung population, nakakuha na kayo ng sample, alam nyo na yung sampling method, na double check nyo na it is appropriate. Number 4, after everything has been identified, all you need to do is present. I-present nyo lang sino yung respondents, saang population sila nang galing. So, let's start with letter A. Magbigay lang kayo ng background ng respondents. Pwede dyan yung local, saang area sila nang galing. Ilan yung total number ng respondents ninyo? Paano sila pinili? Anong sampling method ang ginamit? And the reason or the justification kung bakit sila ang pinili ninyo. And then, number 5, I am going to present a sample later on, below this particular document. So, number 5, all these can be presented in 1 to 2 paragraphs only. All of these information can be presented in 1 to 2 paragraphs only. So sabi natin, madali lang ito. Okay? You just need to establish your knowledge regarding the terms that I presented. Pag alam na ninyo yon, isusulat nyo na lang, i-describe nyo na lang sila in 1 to 2 paragraphs. Okay? Let's go to the sample.